there, future France students. Are you dreaming of studying in the beautiful country of France? Well, today we are going to break down the steps on how to apply for a French student visa from India. I am Vaibhavi Kadam and I welcome you all to Grad-Dreams YouTube channel. But before that, if you're someone who's planning to study in France, do check out the appointment link in the description box below. Step 1. Research and choose your university. The first step in your journey to studying in France is to conduct thorough research and select a university that aligns perfectly with your academic aspirations. Explore various institutions, consider their programs, faculty expertise, and campus life. Once you have identified your ideal university, begin with the application process by submitting an online application. After receiving an offer of admission, we can proceed to the crucial step of obtaining a visa. Step 2. Gather required documents. Once you have chosen your university, you need to start gathering the required documents, which will basically include your passport, your admission letter from the university, proof of financial support. To know more about proof of financial support, check out of this video to get more information. Travel insurance, proof of accommodation, passport size photographs, and application form. Step 3. Apply for a Campus France visa. You need to apply for a Campus France visa as it is a prerequisite in order to obtain your main student visa. Visit the Campus France website and create an account. Provide your personal information and the required documents. Complete the online application form on the Campus France website and pay the required application fee. Once your application is reviewed, Campus France will contact you to schedule an appointment for your academic interview. Attend the interview and answer questions related to your academic background and your motivation in studying to France. If your application is approved, you will be notified via email. Step 4. Submit your main visa application. After you have received your Campus France visa, you may now proceed to filling up your VFS application online and scheduling your visa appointment at the center nearest to you. You will be required to submit all the required documents along with the application once you have scheduled your visa appointment. Step 5. Attend your visa interview. Be prepared to answer questions related to your studies, your financial situations, and your reason for choosing France. Practice all the questions beforehand to feel more confident. Step 6. Await your visa decision. The processing time for visas can vary, so be patient. Once your visa is approved, you will be notified via email. Few additional tips. Start the visa process well in advance to allow sufficient time for each step. Ensure that all the required documents are accurate and complete. Follow the instructions provided by the French embassy or consulate very carefully. And there you have it. With a little planning and preparation, you'll be well on your way to studying in France. So that was all from my end. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to receive more such updates from Grad-Dreams.